BIBO, bag in bag out, is a sealed system used for safely replacing the high-efficiency filters, HEPA/ULPA, in isolators. The BIBO system enables operators to replace the filters without coming into contact with contaminants or allowing contaminants to leak into the environment. The entire process takes place in a sealed bag, perfectly protecting operators and the environment. During the replacement process, the sterile state inside the isolator is not disrupted, significantly reducing production downtime. The fan is the core component that maintains a stable pressure difference between the interior and exterior of the isolator. It continuously circulates the air and carries away particles and microorganisms. The combined machine, isolator with fan and BIBO system is widely used in pharmaceutical and medical industry. If you have more specific application scenarios or budget ranges, Suzhou Pharma Machinery can provide you with more targeted information.